All right, so today we'll be talking about our crowdsourced review site called Easy Repair, where we'll be connecting consumers and businesses in the car repair field. We're Group 11, consisting of members Huang, Li, Lin, Liu, and Zhang. So for our problem statement, I'll first talk about the issues with current crowdsourced review websites. Sites like Yelp, they don't encourage users to want to search for car repairs because oftentimes when they type in something like replace transmissions for their car or fix a flat tire, they're going to get search results with hits for reviews for car dealerships that primarily have reviews of users purchasing cars or some other issues rather than ones who actually went there to have their cars fixed. Another issue they have is that reviews on sites are also weighted on factors that are not directly geared for car repairs, and that's because sites like Yelp have other businesses such as restaurants. And lastly, existing sites also don't allow businesses to directly connect to users. This is understandable for sites like Yelp that act as a hub for many different types of businesses, but we feel that it will be beneficial to allow mechanics and dealerships, car dealerships that fix cars, to reach out to consumers privately with quotes. So our objective will be to create a website that allows users to find car repair shops based on specific issues, such as, as I said before, replacing transmissions or, replacing spark plugs, ignition coils, and also to design an interface that assists in connecting businesses with consumers, and lastly, to create a unique review system that weighs quality specific to car repairs. So for our proposed solution, we're going to have two main parts. The first being the consumer side, where it's going to be a crowdsourced reviews similar to sites like Yelp. The intent here will be to aid consumers in their search for a mechanic specific for their needs, and this is going to utilize a weighted review system. So the other half will be the business side, where we'll be creating an interface that connects businesses directly to consumers by allowing consumers to post their estimate report details for businesses to look at and to pick which repairs they want to work on. The intent here is to help auto repair businesses find more consumers, and we believe it will also help consumers because of transparency, price transparency, since businesses will be providing their price first before consumers talk to them.
We improve our review system, which is better than other review systems exist in the world. Firstly, we ask our customer to provide pictures before and after repairing, which makes the review more credible. Secondly, we divide review into 4 detailed attributes: price, quality, service, timing, and communication. Customers can grade for these attributes. By the two methods, we can provide a believable and objective comments for these users. This is the BPMN diagram for customer side. Actually, this is similar with Yelp system, but as we can see, we add picture, update, and improve review system.
This is the BPMN model for the business side. Once a customer posts a request to repair the car, the customer needs to upload the estimate report details, which is provided by the insurance company. Then Easy Repair will display all the requests on the post list for dealers to search. Once a dealer selects a case, the dealer can send his price to the customer by message through Easy Repair, and then they can negotiate the price. Since they reach an agreement and get repaired, the customer can write reviews and upload pictures.
The next part is about the interface. We divide interface by 5 pictures. This is the first one, which is the home page. As you can see on the top left corner, this is our company's logo, which is a big E, represent Easy Repair. And the top right corner is for user to log in and sign up. If you're a new user, you can just click the sign up button. Just put your personal info like name, address, and vehicle information. You can be a member of the Easy Repair. Our website is free to use. And if you're already a member, you can just click the login button. And in the middle part, there are 2 blanks. The first one is a find, and the second one is near. For the first one, you can just type a specific repair shop name, or just type repair shop. And for the second one, you can just simply type your location, such as Plano, Texas, and press the search button. And there's another feature, it's called advanced filters, including price, quality, service timing, and communication. Our rating system is different from Yelp and Google, not just a simple rating star, like 3-star or 5-star, or rating is presented by weighted value, which user can adjust the bar depends on their preference. For example, if user A, his car got a flat tire and he want to repair it as soon as possible, so he can adjust the service timing to the maximum. And the last one, on the bottom right corner, there's one called FAQ, which is frequently asked question. If you have any question regarding the car repair, you can just click this button. Once user select their repair shop and the location, it goes to the second page. This page indicates the 5 best repair shops in Plano area, and there are 3 buttons. The first one is open now, so user can click this button to check all the repair shop that is open right now. Next to that is a make a reservation button. User can just check the box and to see and to make a reservation instantly and easy. And if user want to know more information about repair shop, they can just click the all filters button to know all the relative info about a certain repair shop. And for user's convenience, there's also a map on the right side, so consumers can see which repair shop is the nearest one. Once you select a specific repair shop, then the website go to this page. In this case, the user select John Fix and Go. And the repair shop has rated for 3.5 stars. As you can see, it depends on the 4 categories: price, quality, service timing, and communication. You can see how those 4 categories were rated by a number of consumers. And you can also see there is a map on the web page which is tell you the location of the repair shop. And you can also see their opening time. In this case, it's open from 10 a.m. to 6 p.m. And with their number, as long as if you want to call them, you can just give them a call. And in the middle side, there are a number of pictures that posted by different consumers. So if you want to check more picture, you can just scroll down. And there are also a review button. So if you want to see more review about this repair shop, just click that button. And if you want to know more information about this specific repair shop, just click more business info. And also for users' convenience, we also add a calendar to check which day is able to make appointment. And on the bottom side, there's a 3 button. You can choose write a review, upload a photo, or upload a code. In the previous slide, we decided how to submit a code. So this is the page for user to submit a code. There are 2 ways. You can either choose to speak to an agent by clicking the speak to an agent button, or you can submit the code online. Just fill in your name, phone number, and address, and choose the relative file. In this case, please submit any drawing or document along with this code. And if you have any comments, just leave a message on the website. And our normal turnaround is 2 business days. And if this is urgent, please let us know, and we will turn it faster. Here comes to the last one. This interface actually designed for the repair shop instead of the user, because as mentioned earlier, repair shop can check the code that's submitted by different users. So in this case, they list the most recent 5 code in Plano. So if a repair shop interested in certain code, they can just check the box and add to their watch list. And they can either add to the watch list or just contact the customer by clicking the contact customer button. If they want to see more information, they just click the all filter, then all relative information will be displayed. So in the first quote, for example, the buyer can click the white button, current bid, to see how much the current bid is. So if he or she interested in this quote, the seller can place a bid. So if the seller wins the bid, they will get a notification email or message within 1 business day.
For the benefits for the consumer, first, the consumer can find the nearby repair shop, and it's very convenient for the consumer. Second, the user can upload the picture for the broken parts. That will create a good connection between the user and the repair shop. Next, the consumer can choose the repair shop they want by choosing the specific rating they care about. The third, upload report can help consumer receive many quote from many repair shop, so they can repair the car by a lower price. The last, because of the rating, repair shop will improve their service. For the repair shop, they can get some new consumer buy from our website. Repair shop can find the potential consumer by quote from the report. Next, I will introduce the filter scope. First, the user can post video reviews. That's very good for the user to show where is broken to the repair shop, and the repair shop sometimes can get a good understanding for the users talk about. Second, design an Android or iOS app. Finally, expand to other industries such as home repairs or the electronics. In America, almost everyone has their own car. Car fixing is an Euro thing for everyone. Our website do a well business for the connecting the consumer and the repair shop. Not only we can help the consumer, but also we can help the repair shop. I believe our website and the next our future, the app can have a good development in the future.